Hello everyone, myself Hit Prajapati. I'm sure that you must have played that snake and apple game in Nokia mobile or any other device. I'm here to give you that childhood nostalgic feeling by this game called Naagin the game. If you are an existing user, just press the button, enter your name and go ahead. If you are a new user, click on the new user button and enter your name. Let's say Janil wants to play the game. Type and press enter. And see, you will start playing the game. You can also go through the windows to catch this apple as soon as possible. Oops, the snake crashed. Here you can see your score, and that's it. You can see your high score and the current player playing the game. There is also a leaderboard button. If you are lucky and you are in top 10, you can see yourself here. There is also a theme, so you can change your snake as per your wish. Let's say head color is green, body color is, let's say, red, stripe color is yellow, and background color is black. Let's say food color is pink. Return to home screen and press enter. You will see